Here's what we did on Tuesday and Wednesday. So first, we finished the energy lab, then we went over and collected that, did some notes on motion, and did a notebook foldable activity. This was the energy lab with the 12 different stations. So we finished that thing, and I collected it, and I'll be grading that and putting it into Power School. Then, for the notes on motion, you're going to want to pause the video here as you copy these into your notebook. So motion, we know that an object, or we decided an object is in motion if it changes position relative to a reference point. And we said in order to determine that something's in motion, we need two objects. One of those objects can be a reference point. Then we need the original distance between the two objects and the new distance. And we decided that, or we concluded that if these are a before picture and then the picture on the right is an after picture, when one object moves, the original reference point was here, now it's there, the distance between the two, between the new location and the original location, distance has changed, therefore that object has been in motion. After we recorded all these notes in our notebook, I want to make sure in your notebook, I want to make sure this is page 29 and page 30. So page 29, we attached the forms of energy paper, which went with the energy lab. So we attached that to page 29 with one small piece of tape here. That's it, fold it over like this. And then on page 30, this is where the notes for motion went in our notebook. Then we turn the page and we created this thing. And how you create that is you take these two papers, this paper, and you cut this whole thing out, even that little square down there, and then you cut this paper out. Once the two papers are cut out, you fold them so they're facing on top of each other. As they're facing on top of each other, you peel back this little bit right here, put some glue on there, put these things down so that they're glued together. When you open it, it opens like this. And then we attached this piece, the bottom piece here, into our notebook on page 31 so that you can open it up. And we didn't fill this out yet. We're going to fill that out after this weekend is over. For the notes on potential and kinetic energy, those were a different day. So that's all we did.